In the last class, we discussed about a concept that is x into x plus 1. This concept is mainly based on the perfect squares. If you know perfect squares well, then we can calculate this result x into x plus 1 very easily. Although we are going to make a video on squares, how to remember the squares which are needed for competitive exams. So if we revise the topics briefly, 34 into, for example, 34 into 35, this is 34 square, 1156 plus 34, 56 plus 34 is 90, 1190. For example, that means what I want to say is 34 square plus 34. It can also be written as 35 square minus 35. What is the use of knowing this means? For example, if we have to calculate any nearest numbers, product of any nearest numbers, for example, 351 into 34. What I will do is 35 into 34, I will calculate in this process. I will get 1190 and 1193, 411,934 will be the result. For example, if I have to calculate 482 into 47, I can calculate like this as 47 into 48, 47 square is 2209, 2209 plus 47, this is 2256. If 2256 is a 2256 plus 9, 22654, this will be the result. For example, if I have to calculate 4812 into 47, I can calculate similarly, like if I know how to calculate 12 into 47 and know how to calculate 47 into 48, you can calculate like this also. For example, 47 45, for example, if I write here 12 into 46, you know how to calculate 47 into 46, 46 into 45, you know how to calculate 46 into 12. You can remember these three and you can merge and you can write this in one line without touching the pen also. You can calculate in brain also. That is the main use of knowing this concept. So let us go to the next topic. Our topics are some special cases in multiplication. Let us see some special cases in multiplication. Special case, first special case, and don't skip the video. If you skip the video, then you don't know what's going on and what's happening, and you will get confused. That is more than dangerous. XA into XB. X and X are same numbers, and A and B are strictly single digit numbers, and A plus B is equal to 10. That means A and B are natural numbers. That means A, B both should lie between 1 to 9. That means how many combinations you can get? 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5. For example, let us see. That means X A X B, where A plus B equal to 10. This is the condition. For example, what is the example of this means? 1 3 into 1 7. Let us see how this result is going to be. Always remember the condition. A plus B is equal to 10. XA into XB. Let us calculate the result. How the result is going to be. X into A means when we are going to discuss about a number 243, what I can do is 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. So 2 into 100, 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Now I can write this as 24 into 10 plus 3 into 1 also, because if I take 24 as 1 unit, I can write like this also. Similarly, for example, anything it may be, for example 243, I can write 3 as unit digit only, and I can consider all the remaining digits as tens digits. It will be always correct. 1348, I can write this as 134 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So any number I can write it. If I leave one digit here, I can write this as 1 into 10, this number into 10 plus remaining into 1. For example, 1438. If I take 14, I will write 14 into 100, because I left two digits now here, so I can write 14 into 100 plus 38 into 1. Otherwise 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1, you can write this also, 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1, like this also. So Likewise, if you want to calculate this xa into xb, I can write xa as 10x plus a, 10x plus b. If I multiply this, 100 x square plus 10 into 10x, 100x square, 10x b plus a into 10x, 10x a plus a into b, ab. If I take 10 common here, 10x common here, I will get a plus b plus ab. We know that a plus b equal to 10 na? So here I will get 100x. If I take 100 common, x into x plus 1 plus ab. I can write like this also, x into x plus 1 into 100 plus ab. If you see this clearly, see this number 1438. I wrote 1438 means 14 into 100 plus 38 into 1. That means I left here 2 digits, so I can multiply with 100, so 38 into 1. So I can write this number if I have only this. If 100 here there means there is possibility of adding 2 digits more. For example, that will be 1400, and I can write that only 2 digits, so I can write that number as it is. For example, 1400 plus 92. I can write this number as 1492 without thinking. So if this number is strictly 2 digits, then it is acceptable. So if AB is strictly 2 digits, then I can write this as x into x plus 1 product as a number. Beside it, I can write AB. So I am keeping slash. Let us see AB is strictly a 2 digit number or it is going more. For example, A into B will be, in this case, 9. We have to write strictly a 2 digit number, so it will be 09, it will be 16, 21, 24 and 25. So I will remember the result as x into x plus 1 into AB. For example, this is x, A, x, B. The result is going to be x is 1 now, 1 and 1 will be same. X into x plus 1, that means the x plus 1 means the number after this number, that will be 2. 1 and 1, 2 will be consecutive numbers. X and x plus 1 will be consecutive numbers. Besides, A into B, 3 into 2, 7 is 21. So 221 will be the result. For example, if I have to calculate 23 into 28, 22 into 28, because this condition won't satisfy. 2 3s are 6, 16, 216. For example, I can calculate 121 into 129. 1 into 9 will be 09. 12 into 13 will be 156. 15609 will be the answer. So here x won't have any limit, because you can take x any number. For example, from this basis only we derived this concept. Here x is 14. You can take x as any number, but strictly a and b, the sum of a and b should be 10 only. So we will do a lot of problems in this. For example, if I see 32 into 38, 41 into 49, 54 into 56, 3 4s are 16, 16, 3 4s are 12 na? 4 5s are 20, 09, 2009, 5 6 are 30, 24, 3024. So like this you can calculate. And if you know why this is getting, for example, if you want to calculate the reverse one, that means mathematics is all about, that means arithmetic is all about the numbers only. For example, if we want to understand a number, the understanding of a number is nothing but its prime factorization. If we go reverse process, if I have number 3024, what I will do means 30 I can write this as 5 into 6 and 24 as 6 into 4. That means 6 into 4, 6 plus 4, sum is 10, it is accepting. So I can say this have two factors, which is xa and xb. So here we got x and we are getting x plus 1. We made x plus 1. So 5 will be the small number, will be the question. So small number 5 will be the one, 5 6 5 4. So if you can take 5 6 5 4 also. This result is x into x plus 1 beside ab. This is not slash, this is beside. That means if a and b are single digit numbers, then this will be multiplied by 100. That means x into x plus 1 into 100 plus ab. If ab is strictly a 2 digit number, then this will be merged with automatically merge with this number, so I can write this beside. The AB does not cross 100 because the maximum value is 25. For example, if we talk about the sum, if the sum of A and B is 10, and if you want to find the value of A plus B, maximum value of A plus B, maximum value of A plus B occurs when A is equal to B. See, in all the cases, the maximum value is 25, where A is 5 and B is 5. This concept can be discussed detailedly in the topic of algebra, so we will keep it aside. So if I take the case of 5, remember that this is nothing but x into x plus 1 into 100 into AB. This is 25 into 25. This is forming a square number, 25 square. So 25 square, this 25 into 25 can be written as 2 into 2 plus 1 besides 25. That means 2 3s are 6, 25. So I can find the square of any number ending with 5 with the help of this. For example, 135 square. So let us see 25 square. The number after 2 is 3. 2 3s are 6, 25. The number after 3 is 4, 12, 25. For example, 65 square. 6 7s are 42, 4 2 2 5. For example, 105 square. 110 25. For example, 125 square. 156 25. For example, if I have to calculate 135 square, 13 into 14, 169 plus 13, 182 25. For example, if you want to calculate 235 square, 23 into 24, 529, 552 25. So you can calculate the square of any number using this. So what I can say is, so if you want to find, for example, there is a number 624, I can write this 624, I can calculate this as 2 into 3, this as 4 into 6. So 4 into 6 is the sum of 4 and 6 is 10. So this is strictly applicable for this process, and I can split this into, I will take the small number because we started with the small number. So 24 into 26. So if this is in the form of x into x plus 1 besides AB, and this form can be written into the product of two numbers. For example, that means this is a composite number. Composite number means a number having factors more than 2. It can be written into product of two numbers. That means why it is accepting means, for example, you all know that x into x plus 1 into AB, that means when A and B are 5, for example, let us take the value of 625 and the corresponding value, that means x into x plus 1 besides 21, 16 or 9. If I find the difference, for example, this I can written as 25 square. This is nothing but, if you know, 26 into 24, that means this I can write as, this is 1 na? So if I can write this as 25 square minus 1 is 26 into 24. Don't write 26 into 24, let it be 624 only. That means 1 I can write this as 1 square. So a square minus b square is always a plus b into a minus b, 26 into 24. So this is the main reason behind that. Let us check. For example, if I have to take the difference from 21 I will get 4. This is nothing but 2 square. That means a square minus b square is always a plus b into a minus b. If I have to calculate, for example, 25 square, for example, any number ending with 5, x beside 5 whole square minus 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, I can write that one as x5. If it is 3 square, I can write this as x5, x beside 5 plus 3 into x beside 5 minus 3. So I will get the two factors of it. For example, if you want to find for the, we checked for 24 na, that means the gap between 24 and 25 is 1, because we strictly know that x into x plus 1 beside 25 is strictly a perfect square. So if I am calculating, I will know this, I will consider this x into x plus 1 beside AB as x square. If I subtract x square minus any perfect square, that means k square, then I will get x plus k into x minus k. So if you find the difference between 25 and 24, it is 1, this is nothing but 1 square. 25 into 24, this is 4, that is 2 square. 25 and 16, this is 9, that is 3 square. And 25 and 9, this is 16, that is 4 square. So everything, the k value, for example, this k square value is the k square value here 1, 4, 9, 16 is always a perfect square. So we are getting the x into x plus 1 beside AB as a composite number. This is the main reason behind it. So we learned how to calculate the perfect square, how to calculate the square of numbers ending with 5, and let us see one more application of this concept based on 5. To examinations, we may see the question like this. For example, square of 3.5 square. That and options will be given as 7 1 by 4, 12 1 by 4, 8 1 by 4. For example, 10 1 by 4, like that they can give. What we will do means 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, 3.5 whole square. 3.5 whole square. If I remove this, if I forget about this, for example, I can write this as 3.5 into 3.5. First I will calculate this 3.5 with removing points. 35 into 35 square is 1225, and point will come up to here. This I can write as 12 plus 0.25. This is 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. 12 plus 1 by 4 I can write as 12 1 by 4. What I observed clearly is for 3.5 square, the 12 1 by 4 is the answer. Where this 12 came means 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. For example, if I have to calculate 45 square, how I write means for 5 square I will write 25, and based on 4, the number after 4 is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. For example, 75 square. For 5 square I will write 25, and the number after 7 is 8. 78, 7 into 8 is 56. So likewise 11 1 by 2 square. For 1 by 2 I will write 1 by 4. That means square of 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 4, and number after 11 is 12. 11 12 is 132. So if I have to calculate 15 1 by 2 square, 15 16s 240, 1 by 4. This is nothing but 24 4s, 960, 1 by 4, 31 by 2, 31 by 2 whole square. You can get like that only, 31 by 2 whole square. So this will be the application of this. For example, 41 1 by 2 whole square means this is 41 into 42. 41 square is 1681. 1681 plus 41, 168 plus 4, 172. 172 to besides 172 to 1 by 4, and this will be the application of this. So let us see some other cases. The expansion of the previous one, xab into x mn, where ab plus mn is equal to 100. For example, ab plus mn equal to 100 means a is 0, b is 1, and this will be 99, like that 298, and so on up to 5050. Here 4951. That is the one. Here concept also won't be changed, and strictly ab plus mn both should be equal to 100. For example, what are the examples of this means? If x is 1, AB will be 0 1, because A and AB and MN are strictly 2-digit numbers, 101 into 109. Let us see the result. Similar, this AB, since AB is a 2-digit number, for example, if x is, there is no restriction for x. For example, when we are giving restriction about the last 2 digits or single digit, then if you are not talking about this, that means there is no restriction for it. X can be anything. For example, if I write 1239, I can write this as, if I write this as 12 into 100 plus 39 into 1, then after 100 only 2 digits in 100 na, 1200 means here only 2 digits are allowed. If only 2 digits are there, then it can be written as 1239. For example, 11 into 100 plus 3 into 1 means here after 100 2 digits are permitted. So here there is no 2 digits, so I will put 03. So the answer will be 1103. So this concept I discussed in addition also. So this will be very much useful here. So I will write this as 100x plus AB, 100x plus Mn. You note that AB is not A into B. AB is a 2-digit number. For example, AB is 23 means A is 2, B is 3. That is the meaning of it, not 2 into 3. 100x, I will get 100, that means 10,000 x square plus 100x into Mn. 100x into Mn plus AB into 100x plus AB into Mn. So if I take 100x common here, Mn plus AB I will get here in this. So from these two I can take, if Mn plus AB is always 100, is here 100 na, so I can, what I can take here common means, if I take 10,000 x common here, then I will get x plus 1. Then what is remaining means AB into Mn. If I write like this, x into x plus 1 into 10,000 plus AB into Mn. So here 10,000 is there na. After that, how many digits are minimum required means 4 digits are minimum required. So it should be strictly 4 digits. So let us see, AB and Mn will be 4 digits or more than 4 digits. If it is less than 3 digits, for example, if it is 129, I can put 0 also, 0, and I can manage like that. Although 121 won't come here in the product of these two, where A plus Mn equal to 100. But if it is more than 10,000, then it will be a problem. So let us check the maximum value of AB plus Mn occurs at how many digits. The maximum value of AB plus Mn occurs at when AB equal to Mn. We will discuss this concept clearly on the topic of algebra. So when AB equal to Mn, that will be 50 equal to 50 na, 50 plus 50 equal to 100. So here maximum result will be 2500, which is a 4-digit number. So this concept, this is not disturbed. So I can use this result for application. For example, if you listen properly, listen carefully. If you expand this for more, for example, x into a plus x besides abc into x besides, for example, mnp, I can give result as x into x plus 1 besides abc into mnp if abc plus mnp equal to 1000. I can generalize this result. This will be continued to infinity, and this x into x plus 1 means this is x into x plus 1 into 3 digits na, so this is 6 zeros will come. This is 10 lakhs. X into x plus 1 into 10 lakhs, that means this should have strictly 6 digits. So when we are dealing about these 2 digits, this should have strictly 4 digits in the last. When we are dealing with the case of xa into x plus b, this is x plus 1 into ab, this should have strictly 2 digits. So I think if you got the clarity, let us see some examples of this case. X into x beside a, this is the best example na. 1 0 1 0 9, this 1 1 into 1 0, this is 199 is the example of this. 1 1 into 109, this is not the example of this, because 1 and 99 and 1 forming 100, but this is 1 is a single digit number. If we put 0 only, you can apply here. So 1 0 1 99 forming a 100, so 1 beside 1, the number after 1 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2, and here you should have strictly 4 digit numbers. 91 into 1 is 99 and 2 digits are less, so I will put 099. So if I have to calculate 264 into 236, we know that 64 plus 36 is 100 na. So what we will get, 2 into 3 is 6, and if you have to calculate 34 into 6, 36 is 216 plus 144, 216 plus 14, 2304, 62304 is the result. For example, if I have to calculate this, for example 12001 into 12009, 12999, then 1 and 999 is forming 1000, so I can apply this. 12 13s 156, and here 999 I should get 6 zeros, so 1 2 3 6 digit number, so I will put 3 zeros here, and this will be our result. And you can see another case also. For example, 24875 into 24125, 24875 plus 125 is forming 1000. So what I can do, 24 into 25 is 600. Beside what I will write is 125 into 875. I can calculate with the trick of 125. We will discuss in further classes. You keep only concept in mind. 109375. This is the result of it. So I think you understand this concept. So next we will see the different concept, and we will see the applications of it. You should listen this very carefully, because this case is little bit confusing, but this is also an important one, and where the scenarios in this are little bit different rather than the previous one, that is ax into bx, where a plus b is equal to 10. The result will be, for example, let us see, x is strictly a single digit number. X is strictly a single digit number. X lies between 1 to 9, and a and b are also strictly a single digit numbers. And if a plus b equal to 10, then this is 9 then automatically a plus b lies between 1 to 9 if a and b are natural numbers. For example, the result will be 10a plus x, 10b plus x, 100ab plus 10ax plus 10xb plus x square. If this is 100ab plus, if I take 10x common, I will get a plus b equal to 10, so this is 100x plus x square. This it can be written as, if I take 100 common, ab plus x square. I will write this as ab plus x into 100 plus x square. Remember this x as 1 into x. This is 1 into x. That means I can write this as ab plus 1 ab plus 1 into x into 100 plus x square, means x square is always a strictly single digit number na. So maximum value of x square will be 81. So this does not increase more than 2 digits, so this will be merged up with this 100, and I can write this as besides x square. So the example for this is the sum of, when you should be careful when a plus b is equal to 10, then x is strictly a single digit number. For example, x is strictly a single digit number. In this last cases, x is not a single digit number. X can be any other than, because x is not in units place, x is the outer one. Here, since a is restricted to single digit, so x should be also restricted to single digit. What happens if x is more than, if x is 2 digits or more than 2 digits, then the value of this one will be 3 digits, and this will be added to this, and this will get disturbed. So in order to keep this safe, so we strictly see that x is a single digit number. So let us see the examples of it. For example, 31 into 71. 3 and 7 is forming 10, and 1 and 1 it is here now. What we will do is 3 into 7, it is 21 plus 1, 22. A into b plus x. Why 1 into x? I wrote 1 into x. Then you will see, you will find it later. This is nothing but into 100. 2 and 1 into 1 is 1 now. It should be a strictly 2 digit number because into 100 is there. So this replace into 100 means here 10 and 10 will get now. So it is a 10 digit here, 10 digit here, 10a 10b. So you will get 100 here. If it is a 3 digit number, you will get 1000 here. We saw it in the last class. So it is 2201. For example, if I write 28 into 88, what I will get means 2 8s are 16 plus 8, 24, and 8 8s are 64. This is the result of it. For example, 38 into 78. The similar one, 3 8s are 20, 3 7s are 21 plus 8. This is 29, 64. For example, 47 into 67. 4 6 are 24 plus 4 6 are 24 plus 7, 31, 49. For example, 9 2s into 12. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 2 and 2 is there na. So what we will get means 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11, and 2 2s are 4 na, 04. We will write 04 because it is strictly a 2 digit number. So what we will get if, for example, we saw the all case na, 2 7 case is not 7 case is discussed, and you can see every case. For example, 4 case, 5 case, 6 case, and let us see the 5 case here. For example, what is meant by 5 case means if I put the value of a is 5, then b also will be 5. So 5 beside 1 into 5 beside 1. This is forming a square number. This is forming a square number in 2 digit numbers starting with 5. For example, 51 square. I can calculate 52 square, 53 square, 54 square, 55 square, 56 square, 57 square, 58 square, 59 square, 51 square. What I will get? 51 into 55. 25 plus 1, 26, and 1 square is 1 na, 01. So in this case, from this case, we have to learn clearly how to calculate the number square of number starting with 1 and starting with 5, and that is strictly a 2 digit number. So 51 square, this is 25 plus 1, 2601, 25 plus 2, 2704, 25 plus 3, 2809, 5 square 25 plus 4, 2916, 5 square 25 plus 5, 3025. You can calculate like this also from the last one. If for 5 square 25, 5 6 30, 5 into 6 are 30. 56 square, this is 3136. This is 25 plus 7, 32649. This is 3364, and this is 3481. This is how we will calculate the square of number starting with 5, and it is strictly a 2 digit number. So we have to remember these values so that it will be more useful for us in the upcoming concepts. So let us see the different cases of this model and be careful while listening it. This is the continuation of that one where ABX into MNX, where AB plus MN is equal to 100. X is strictly a single digit number because it should not be, if X is a 2 digit number, then the whole concept will be disturbed. So in all this, when we are talking about the unit digit, if it is fixed, then it cannot be a 2 digit number. That the main reason is, if it is 120 I can write as 12 into 10 plus 3 into 1. For example, 140 is there. 140 I can write this into 14 tens, but I can't write 14 tens and 1 into 100, but into 40 into 1, but I can't write this in terms of 1000. For example, this will be 0.14 into 1000. I can write like this, but 0.14 is not a natural number. So if I am taking 2 digits, I can't make it 1 digit, but if I can't make it a single digit. For example, I said na 160 is there, I can write this as 160 ones and 16 tens, but I can't write this as in product of 100 as a product of a natural number. So this is the main thing obstructing this. So this will be a strictly single digit number. So let us see how for example, if we expand this, what will be the result means AB into Mn plus 10x besides x square, where x square is strictly a 2-digit number only, because x is single digit number and the maximum value of x square will be 81 only, so it will be occurred at x equal to 9. So AB plus Mn into 10x. So if we see one problem, for example 18 into 998, in this case this is possible for this case because this is 01 plus 99 which is 100. So what I can do is 1 into 99 is nothing but 99 plus 10 into 8, this is 8 na, 99 plus 80, 10 into 80 na, 99 plus 80 is nothing but 179 and 8 8s are 64, 17964 will be the result of it. For example, if I have to calculate 128, 888, 12 plus 88 is 100 na, so I can calculate this. 12 8s are 96 plus 9, 1056 plus 80. What is the value of 1056 plus 80 means 103664 will be the answer for this. For example, in this case, in this way you can repeat. For example, if you take 5, you can take later. That means 0 to 1 means 21, 981, 98 2 is 196, 196 plus 10, this is nothing but 206 and before 01, because 1 square should always be written as 01. So similarly you can do like this. So if we do in this case, for example, if I take 50 and 50, that means 501 into 501, 50 plus 50 will be 100 and 1 square will be 1 and 1 are equal, so I can apply this. So what I will get means this is 50 square plus this 1 into 10 besides 1 square. So 501 square can be written as 2500 plus 1 into 10 is 251001. So I can calculate the squares of 502 square. This is 2500 plus 20, 252004. 503 square, 253009. 504 square, 254016. 508 square, 258064. 509 square, 259081. If you take 505 square, 255025, you can take like this. That means, for example, if we calculate if this as the square of number ending with 5, then 5 for 5 square it is 25, and this should be the value of 50 into 51 from that process. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 2550. That you can check from this too. So if you have to check the values of, for example, you can take like this also, 112 into 892, 11 into 89, 979 plus 20, 99904 is the answer for this. You can do like this also. For example, the same scenario, if you take for 3 numbers, for example, A, B, C, X into MNPX, where ABC plus MNP is 1000. the result will be ABC into MNP plus 100x. It is based on 1000 na, so it will be 100. It is based on 100 na, so this will be 10. That is based on 10, so that is why I write where 1 into x besides x square. X square is strictly a single digit number, 2 digit number. To calculate 889 2 into 1112. If I have to calculate 889 into 1111, because I know the trick of multiplying 1111 with 889, so this is 9 7 17 plus 8 25 26 88 16 to 8 98679, and it will be, and for 98679 you have to add 200. 9887904 is our result. You can do this like this also, but always remember in this case ax into bx, where a plus b equal to 10, or abx mnx, where ab plus mn equal to 100, or in this case where abc plus mnp equal to 100. X is always a single digit number. Then you can keep this result. For 1000 it will be 100, for 10, for 100 it will be 10, and for 1 it will be 1 into x. Remember this. So we will see the applications of this, and we will see the detailed solution of problems based on these concepts. Solving these questions, so that we will see the applications of that concept, that up to now what we learned. For example, 31 into 39. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 3 and 3 is same, so 3 4s are 12, 0 9. 1 into 9 should be a strictly 2 digit number, so 0 9. 42 into 48, 4 5s are 20, 1 6. 193 into 197, 7 plus 3, 10, 19 19 same. 19 after 20 will come, 380, 2 1. 361, 369, 1 9 is 10, 36 36. 36 into 37, 36 square plus 36. 1296 plus 36. 133209. 986 into 984. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 98 same, so 98 into 98. 98 square is 9604 plus 98. 970224. 89 into 29. 9 and 9 is same, 8 plus 2 is 10. So what I have to do is 8 2s are 16 plus 9, 25, and 9 9s are 81. 2581 is the answer for this. Be careful, 8 plus 2 is 10, and 8 into 2 is 16, and 16 plus 9 is 25, and 9 9s are 81. So if I saw the question like 819 into 219, I can't solve this with this method, because 19 is a 2 digit number, so this trick can't be applied for this. Be careful in that. 109 191, here see 09 plus 91 is 100, so 1 and 1 are same. 1 into 2 2, and 1 into 90, 9 into 91 9, 819, but this should be a 4 digit number, so 20819 will be our result. For example, this is 1216 1214. I have to calculate 6 plus 4 is 10. I have to calculate 121 into 122. 121 square is 14641, and if I add 121 to this, 14762. 1476224 will be the result for this. Here in this case, last 2 digits is same, but 999 na 001 plus 999. This is forming a 1000, so 999 into 1, this is nothing but 999 plus, this is based on 1000 na, so x into 100 will come. 7 into 100 is 700. If I add this, 1699, 1699 and 49 will be our result. 7129, 2 is there, this plus this is 100, so 71 into 29, 203 plus 2, 205, 2059, 2059 plus, this is based on 100 na, 10. 2059 plus, that means 10 into x, 20. 2059 plus 20, 207904. 2 2s are 04, not 4, because it should be strictly a 2-digit number. So 7 is 10 and 148 is same. And 148 square is 196 plus 23, 21904. If I add 148 to it, that means 148 into 149, this is 52, 220, 5221. 4571, 4529. 71 plus 29 is 100 and 45 same. I have to calculate 45 into 46. 45 square is 2025 plus 45. 2070. 71 into 29. 203, 205, 2059. 3205 square. I have to calculate 320 into 321. 320, 321. 32 into 32, 1024 plus 3, 10272. 0 and 25 will be here. Here 3205, 889, 3205, 111. 889 plus 111 is 1000. So 3205, 3205 same. So I can apply this here. So 3205 square plus 3205, that is nothing but I am calculating 3205 into 3206. 3205 square is 10272,025 and 3205. 10, this is 32,57210. This is 10275,230. And if I have to calculate 889 into 111, 889 into 111 I am calculating on the basis of multiplication with series of ones. We will discuss that in detail in upcoming videos. So if I have to calculate that, 9, 7, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is a 6-digit number na. This should be a 6-digit number, but this is only 5-digit number is coming. So I will put a 0 here so that it will become a 6-digit number. So here 1255, 875, 1255, 125. 875 plus 125 is 1000. So I want to calculate 1255 square. 1255 square plus 1255 I want to calculate, because I want 1255 into 1255. I will calculate 1255 square separately on basis of multiplication, this finding a square of number ending with 5. For 5 square I will write 25 here, and 125 square I will calculate as 125 square on the basis of same square of number ending with 5. 12 13s, 15625. For 15625, if I add 125 to it, 625 plus 125 is 750. 15157 5025 will be the result of 1255 square. If I add 1255 to it, this is 826715. This is 1576280, and 125 into 875. This is 109375. So this is the answer for this. So if you like this explanation, please share, comment and subscribe. Please comment in the comment section. And I think you can't find this content anywhere on YouTube. You can find this questions 31 into 39, 41 into 49, 54 into 56. Like that you can find within 2 seconds they will give thumbnail, but you can't find the explanation and you can't find all the scenarios in anywhere in YouTube. So please like, subscribe, comment and give feedback in the comment section. Thank you.